Hi folks, welcome to another episode of Michael's Backyard Marina. Today we're working on a Craftsman 18.5 horsepower V-twin Kohler motor. Now this thing ran really good when I got it. Bought it used, put some hard rubber front tires on it, changed the oil, changed the transmission fluid, all that fun stuff. Then I was using it and it just died, like somebody hit the kill switch on it. The only thing was, it wasn't the kill switch. I understand that these Kohlers are known for losing their ignition. And there's one guy I watched on YouTube that was a big help, and I'll see if I can find him and leave a link to him because he helped me out, he can help you out. But I'm going to help you out instead. The ignition is junk. This guy had a real thing for Kohlers being a piece of crap. I don't feel Kohlers are a piece of crap. I think they lost their way on the electronics. But I don't know if this is the same one. Same kind of problem. I'll have this part number for this, a link for this part number down below. It's a kit. It's called a conversion kit. Conversion to what? Junk back to old school electronic ignition, or just ignition in general. It's not electronic. It's just a power wire, a ground wire, and a wire that goes each coil to juice it up so the thing will run. So this one here did lose spark. When I first brought it up here, I shot some starting fluid right down the throat. No bueno. So then I pulled the spark plugs out, rolled it over. Zero spark, period. So we're going to dig in a little deeper. We got to get this cover off to gain access to the coils that are underneath it. And we're going to see if it's the same kind of coil I think it is. These coils that are on here should probably have a 4-wire plug-in. If it does, we're in business because this is the replacement for it. If it's not, you're not seeing this video. So if you're seeing it, guess what? Spoiler! Alright, let's get this cover off and dig in. Now, I do have, I bought me a brand new. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, I go to Lowe's a lot, and because my wife loves plants, and there's a lot of plants there. So to make sure I keep my man card, I wander through the tools. And this is a 231-piece Craftsman tool set on sale for $119, regular $199. And I needed another tool set to stick in a boat because I like, eventually I'm going to have a set in the boat, a set in the car, a set in the other boat, and a set in the other boat. I have way too many boats. So we're going to dig in, get this thing apart with just using this kit. Wish me luck. All right. These little bastards. You can stop this now, just to see if I'm going after the right stuff.
Oh, they don't call them. It's an opposing tool.
Hi there, folks. We're back out here. We've got some more parts. The parts I ordered for this, which I thought this was a V-twin Kohler, did a little more digging before I ordered parts this time. I just blindly ordered thinking, oh yeah, it's got to be that. But I do have another Kohler on an old Simplicity. It's a modified. It came with a little 12 horse. It's got a Kohler V-twin on it now, but the same thing happened to it. The spark just went away. So I have a feeling I have a way to fix that one now. Let's just say the universe works in mysterious ways. Cool part is, I've got the new coil. I've got the new rectifier manometer control module. All the links will be below in the description. If you have something similar, might steer you in the right direction. So let's get after we're going to replace this coil. And we're going to replace this little rectifier stretch thermometer here that's on the outside of the shroud. Let's get after it. These things are finned on the backside and they go toward the inside of the shroud. And that's because there's a lot of heat being generated by this, and that helps keep everything cool. This coil, pretty simple. We're just going to go ahead and pull that wire off. Get the right size socket. Now once you have the coil loosely set in place, which this one is not because the magnet is sucking it up tight against the magnet. Is we must set this gap. That's a strong magnet. At 8 thousandths. We have a spark. Now some of you might be asking yourself, why didn't you put all those 20 screws back in? Well, I'll tell you why. I put 4 in, cinched them down. This runs. Then I'll spend the time putting the rest of them in. Looks like I'm going to need my jump packs. Well, she fires, but it seems to have a fuel delivery issue. She's alive!